My name is Shigeru Kasajima, the head chef of Fat Cow, a Japanese-inspired steakhouse. I'm born in Tokyo, Japan. My mother always cooking. Every day lunch and dinner, and also weekend we cook together. Strawberry shortcake, other many dessert we cook together. 11, 12 years old time. Because of mother inspired me to be a chef. 1986, 30 years old. First time eat French cuisine, 18 years old. Many sauce, first time taste. This special taste. New experience to me. I very love the taste. So inspired me to be a French chef. Inside hotel, I work sauce section. Every day eat only sauce. French cuisine use many kinds of sauce. This 3 years I can train my tongue to very sensitive taste. After sauce section, I go to banquet, restaurant, butcher. I work 10 years this hotel, so I go to all the department also. That time I feel little bit boring. I decided to work overseas. Malaysia first. After Malaysia, I go to Russia. Then Russia, working 2 years, I find US job. Working about 2 years, my executive chef go to Dubai. He asked me to go, then I decided to go to Dubai. Then Malaysia working 3-4 years, then come to Singapore. French is important sauce, many kind of sauce also. Then change to Japanese cuisine. I was thinking Japanese sauce is very easy because using soya sauce, sake, mirin, sugar only. Sukiyaki sauce, maybe sake, shoyu, mirin, 411. Teriyaki sauce, maybe 111, like that. I thought very easy, but I start to cook Japanese. Beginning is very difficult for me. I have a sushi master also in Japan. He teach me everything how to make sushi. Normally, maybe 2-3 months every day do. Maybe everybody can do sushi, but until perfect, maybe need to few years. 5 year time, I can accept my sushi. Fat Cow is a Japanese-inspired steakhouse, famous in donburi, and wide selection of Wagyu beef. We have 8 kinds of Wagyu beef. We have Kobe beef, Kagoshima, Nagasaki, Saga, Omi, Kumamoto, and Miyazaki. We have most widest selection of Wagyu beef. When I eat first time Wagyu beef, I also very surprised because taste so much different. Same salt and pepper steak, Wagyu beef is so nice. Sweetness, texture, everything so different. Kobe beef is most expensive. When creating menu, I want to combine my background French cuisine and Japanese cuisine to make one dish. Toro Nikaise Milfil is using Japanese bluefin tuna, otoro, okura, Japanese lady's finger, and on top amaebi, sweet shrimp, uni, sea urchin, and karuga caviar. Sauce is truffle ponzu sauce. Fat Cow Premium Donburi is our signature, most popular dish. Mixed Wagyu rice. On top is the slice of Wagyu beef. This one got choice, Nagasaki strip loin or Kagoshima tenderloin. Teriyaki foie gras, and caviar, uni, and salmon roe. Western steakhouse is normally using Australian or US Angus beef. Garnish is maybe potato or bacon, tomato, and corn, like that. But Japanese steakhouse, we using many kind of Wagyu beef. Garnish, we always follow the seasoned product. Also using binchotan charcoal. Charcoal very important for grilled beef. Binchotan charcoal is Japanese charcoal, more high heat and can more flavor texture, also nice. Singapore is good because Singapore people, everybody like to eat good food. Our restaurant is a little bit expensive, but still many people can come to us also. That's why I like Singapore.
Okay, better.